so I got the epoxy mix 3-to-1 ratio in this bucket here. You gotta let it induct for 15 minutes. And then you have 2 to 5 hours to get it on before it goes off. So I'm gonna go do a little bit of taping and then roll like crazy. Alright, so with 2 coats of the 2-part epoxy primer done, now I need to put 2 coats of this anti-fouling on, and then the paint job is done. Well, as close as we can get to that roller. We have liftoff. All right, we got this beast all loaded up. Finished up the bottom paint, thanks to Total Boat. Now let's get this thing to the lake. Hey guys, I would like to think that we're friends, that we're close, and so I just want to tell you that I think your life is kind of boring, and you should do something new to spice it up a little bit. I recommend the Neil Paskin Kamiko Challenge. Last reminder, click the link in the description below, because registration ends June 13th. See you there. The boat is in the water, and I should probably be holding it. Oh, it floats. Oh yeah, we're underway. Loaded to the tits, and we haven't flipped yet. Woohoo! All right, guys, it's game time. Let's go fall some trees and not die.
Buckin would be proud. No, he'd probably be cringing. Sorry about the wind, guys, but it's been blowing all day. This is her. My little slice of paradise. There's Marcus, one of my mob members, who decided to join me for a little work weekend. Guy's no slouch. Look at that glory. As you can see, there is a lot of dead wood to deal with. All right, guys, that wraps up my little reveal video of my property. Sorry, I wanted to buy a drone and do all these things, but they were out of the drone that I wanted at the store. And I also thought, never flown a drone before, probably shouldn't try it for the first time on a boat over water. So we'll get some drone footage coming out in the following videos. Huge shout out to Total Boat. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video and sending me the bottom paint. Sealed everything up perfectly. If there were any holes in the hull, they were sealed by that bottom paint because there was no water in the bilge when we launched it. It was awesome. Also, huge shout out to my man Marcus. All my friends bailed on me last minute that were going to come up and help me out this weekend, but a total stranger from the mob wanted to come out, and he came out, hustled hard with me, and we had a great time. If you guys are local, Vancouver, Washington, in that area, and you think it would be fun to come participate in an awesome little camp out work weekend, doing off-grid stuff at the property, be sure to click the link in the description box below and check out the Makers Mob, because I put posts on the Facebook page there when I'm going to do stuff up at the property, and have open invites for people that want to join and get a little taste of the off-grid experience. So if you're interested in participating in that, check out the link in the description box below. If not, see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Samurai out.